Good evening. Today we will cover chapter 3, which is legal principles of life insurance. First of all, insurance contract is a legal agreement between two parties. An enforceable contract must have offer and acceptance, consideration, capacity to contract, prior consent of all parties, legality of object. In other words, insurance contract does not cover any illegal issues. Life insurance in general has a unique characteristics. As a result, only some legal principles can apply to life insurance contracts. The principles that may cover life insurance contracts are unique. First, the principle of utmost good faith. Utmost good faith means the highest level of honesty. First, insurance contracts must follow the utmost good faith principle. The principle must be included at the applicant's proposal to the insurer for protection and at the beginning of the policy. So before anything, utmost good faith must be present. Second, the insured must provide accurate answers to the insurer's questions in the application. For instance, all the information regarding family history, habits, personal life, employment, insurance contracts already in force, and other applications for insurance accepted or refused. As we mentioned, utmost good faith means honesty. Honesty must be present during the application process, or the insured will not pay the claims. Material facts must be revealed. Material facts must be announced. It refers to all facts or information has a bearing on the decision of the insurer to accept or to refuse providing the coverage with respect to the level of riskiness and the premiums required. In other words, material facts are all the important information that the insured provides to the insurance company must be revealed, as this kind of information is extremely important regard the decision of the insurance company to accept or to refuse providing insurance coverage. Any concealment of material facts may lead to negative decision from the insurer. Negative decision means the insurer may refuse providing insurance coverage, and this occurs if a person intentionally hides critical information to pay low premiums. This can be classified as adverse selection, and the insurer can argue to pay nothing to the insured. Representations means all disclosures must be made at the time of entering in the insurance contract. The insured must provide clear and precise information about his age, income, profession, family history, general health, medical reports, and any criminal records. So in conclusion, utmost good faith means honesty. The insured must be honest regard all the providing information, or the insurer will refuse providing coverage, or he will refuse paying the claims. All the given or provided information by the insured is called representation. Insurer can ask for further details to fill the gap in the application. In other words, the insurance company may ask the insured to provide more clarification about his case, more details that may affect the decision of accepting or refusing the insurance coverage. The insurance company may ask the insured about the following elements. First, facts related to law. Second, facts which can be revealed by a survey. Third, facts covered by the policy conditions. Fourth, facts which reduce the level of riskiness. Fifth, facts which may be discussed by the insurer. Two important cases. First, if the insured provided incomplete or misleading information unintentionally. He did not mean to provide unclear or misleading info. In this case, the insurer will accept the coverage or will accept the risk and charge the insured extra premiums, or the insurer can accept the coverage without charging extra premiums if the missing information is not important for the process of risk assessment, or the insurer can cancel the policy. Second, if the insured provided incomplete or misleading information intentionally, means on purpose. The insured is trying to deceive, is trying to provide unclear or wrong information about his family history, his age, his health, his medical record, his criminal record. In this case, the insurance company will directly cancel the policy, especially if the hidden information is critical to the process of risk assessment. In general, any concealment is considered intentionally, as the hidden information or the wrong provided information may be considered as an adverse selection. On the other hand, utmost good faith must be followed by the insurer, as the insurer must perform his duties. So it's like a double-edged weapon. Utmost good faith must be followed by the insured and the insurance company. Insurance company must perform its duties toward the insured, or the insurer will lose any legal dispute with the insured. One important notice is that the insured must inform the insurance company. One important notice is that the insurance company must inform the policyholder to provide clearly all the critical and important information during the insurance proposal. For instance, L&N insurer issued a policy for a person without asking him clearly to provide all the required information that may change the rate of premiums or may affect the decision regarding the policy. The insured died after a few months. The insurer refused to pay the claim as the insured did not provide enough information. However, the court rejected the L&N's case and forced the company to pay the claim as the company did not inform the insured clearly to provide enough precise and clear information. Second, the principle of insurable interest. In general, in life policies, insurable interest provides the right to insure. Without insurable interest, life insurance contract will be converted to be a gambling contract, will be a tool for encouraging criminal issues. Insurable interest means that the policyholder must have financial interest at the life of the insured. In other words, insurable interest means the beneficiary must be financially hurt or financially lose due to death of the policyholder. Basically, this principle started in 1746 at England, and this principle is highly recommended as it differentiates between the insurance contract and gambling contracts. Insurable interest prevents the incentive behind murder and crimes. If the insurable interest does not exist, means the insurance contract will be an important tool for any person to kill others. In life insurance, insurable interest is always present. Any person can buy life insurance policy and name beneficiaries. However, beneficiaries must have an insurable interest at the insured's life. In other words, they will lose financially in case of his death. For example, a business firm may insure the life of the key persons, as the company will lose financially in case of disability or death of the key people. A wife can insure her husband's life, as she will suffer financially if he passed away. A father may insure his son's life, and vice versa, means son can insure his father's life. However, a brother may not have an insurable interest in his sister's life, except, and this case is rare and we can call it an exception, if he provided an evidence that she's supporting him financially and he loses financially in case of her death. A creditor may insure his debitor's life, as the death of debtor will affect the creditor financially, where the insurable interest must exist. In life insurance, the insurable interest must be present during the insurance proposal, in other words, at the inception of the policy, and it's not necessarily later till paying the claims, as life insurance contracts is not a contract of indemnity. For instance, if a wife has an insurance policy on their husband's life and after a period of time they are not married anymore, a divorce occurred, if she continued paying premiums when her previous husband died, she will receive compensation. Means insurable interest must be present during or at the beginning of the contract during the insurance proposal. There is no need for the insurable interest during the claim payment. Finally, indemnity is not subject or is not applied to life insurance policy, as it's not logical to determine the compensation for this partially.